Hi, this is April Bauer, and I just got a new tool in the mail, and I wanted to kind of show it to you. This is the new Pepe, or at least new to me, Pepe Square Ring Mandrel with sizes on it. So that's the number there, that it's a number 124.GR. And let's open it up and see what this guy looks like. It's a round mandrel with square flat sides, so it doesn't have a real sharp corner. It does have the sizes on it, which I am extremely pleased with. That will be handy because all of my other square mandrels, you were just shooting in the dark as far as what size you were. Now, I wanted to compare it with this one that was available from Rio Grande. It was a puffed square, and it never seemed quite square enough for me. So I ended up just flattening some sides of it with my belt sander. I do that with tools. And that's no problem for me. The other one I wanted to compare it to was this Eurotool square mandrel, and it's a lot smaller, as you can tell. Here, let me get this middle one out of the way. So you can see that we can go smaller. It would be a good bezel mandrel. Maybe it is a bezel mandrel. I don't know. It's called a square mandrel. It's really quite square with just the knocked off corners. It's just a little bit rounded on these corners so that it's not a super sharp one. I believe they make one with super sharp corners, and that might appeal to some. I think it's just a bit too sharp. So I will be interested to see how this one works in terms of squareness. If it seems square enough or not, I'll have to make a ring out of it. But I am thrilled with the sizes. And now Pepe needs to make us the little sizer ring combination in square. Please make us that. We'd love it. You can see the sizes up close there. So it's a nice way to go, all the way down to a size 2. Up to a 16. The only thing I can criticize is that it's not very highly polished. It's a little bit of a texture, a little texture on here that's, acceptable. It's kind of a brushed finish on the corners, but this area is a little bit of a machined texture that is just a little bit less smooth than these guys. And then this one was a very fine brushed finish until I took my sander to it. So that's not the manufacturer, but it was more of a satin finish.